Hi, and welcome to this new video. My name is Sylvia, and we will see together the different capabilities of the magicplan app and the magicplan cloud. So let's get started. We are now in my magicplan cloud. So if we want to create a project, we click on the blue plus, we type a project name, we can also type an address. Then if we have more people working in a workspace, we can select the SNE and we click on create. But we cannot edit this project from the cloud. We need to go in our app and go to device and cloud. We refresh our page and here we can download the project and start editing it from our app. So you can create a project both from your app and from your cloud, but you can only edit a project in the magicplan app. And if you want to create a new project directly from the app, of course, you click here on the blue toggle on the top right. We click on the plus, we select the floor, and here we go. We are ready to start. If you want to see your project in 2D and 3D, you can do that both from the cloud and from the app. If you're in the cloud, you select your project, and then on the bottom left, you have the option 2D and 3D. Voila. If you go in your app, you select the project, and it's the same. On the bottom, you have the option 2D and 3D. Moreover, if you want to export your project, you just need to select the project and go on the top left, select Files, and here you can download all the formats that we have available for magicplan. For example, here the report PDF, and you can take a look to your project. You can download it, you can print it, but you can also go to your magicplan app on your mobile device and you select the project. You have the option Files and Sharing, and just clicking here, you can select your PDF or the format of the file that you need to export. And if you want to download your project, you can do that also in the app and in the cloud. You just need to tap on this blue page and then you will get here your PDF, for example. You click on it and then you can decide what you want to do, if you want to copy the project to have a quick look or to save your project to your files. And this is on your mobile device, but you can do that also in the magicplan cloud. You go in your project and here on the top left, you can select Files, and as we did at the very beginning to export our project, we click on it and we have our project ready on our computer and we can just download it as a regular PDF. If you then want to manage your workspaces and teams, you need to go to the magicplan cloud. So you go here on Members, and then if you have more seats, for example, you can invite another member by putting the email of that person here. And voila, you can have more people working in the same workspace, and you can always decide if you want to remove them to make them admins, and you can select everything from the magicplan cloud. And also, if you want to have several teams, for example, you want to have the painters, or you have a team that is specifically for water damages and so on, you can create several teams and you will have them listed here. Then, if we go to the app, we can see in which workspace we are. We can change the workspace where we are working, but we cannot manage the settings. If you want to modify or renew your subscription, you need to go in your magicplan cloud. You can go here on Billings, and then you will see if you have a free account like this one, you will have the option to upgrade both from here directly or after clicking on billing, then you will have this toggle and you will be redirected to the plans and pricing page. You can decide how you want to pay and then you select your plan and you just put all your details and click on subscribe and pay. And also, if you want to download or to see your invoices, you need to go to your magicplan cloud again, go to billing, and then here you will have the option to download your invoice. I don't have it here because I have a test subscription because I work for magicplan, but you will have a toggle here on the right. And last but not least, if you want to manage your profile, you can do that both from the magicplan cloud and from the magicplan app. If you want to do that from the cloud, you can go on profile and select your account, and you have some personal data that you can edit from here. And you can also go to company profile if you have a company profile set up, and if you want to edit something, to change something, or upload a watermark and so on. If we go to the app, we just need to click on my account, and here we have all our details, so we can change our name, our password, and all the other details for the company profile also, and everything is listed under my account, which is here on the bottom right. And I would like to finish this video with a little note. You saw both the magicplan cloud and the magicplan app on my computer, but the app that I'm using, it's a developer's tool, so it's in my computer, but in real life you can only use the magicplan app on your phones and tablets, so it has to be a mobile device. And then you can use the cloud both from a mobile device and from your laptop, from your computer, and so on. I hope that this video was useful and that you learned the differences that we have between the magicplan app and the magicplan cloud. And I see you in our next video. Bye.